Well, hello everyone, this is my first video and I thought I'd just introduce you to my Westfield Megablade. So this is my first kit car ever. It really sort of appealed to me because it has a motorbike engine in. So it has a Honda Fireblade 893cc SC33 engine, revs to 11,750 RPM. And weighs around sort of like 460 kilograms, so it has quite a good power to weight ratio. This is just a small introduction of the car. I'll be doing more videos about it very shortly, but I thought I'd just show you a few details on the car. A little look at the exhaust, which needs a bit of a polish really. I have been polishing it, but it keeps tarnishing, which is quite annoying when it gets hot, but it's one of those things. It's quite nice to polish up. No carbon cycle wings. I actually quite like it with a solid body colour. Probably going against the modern grain with that. Has glass fibre seats at the moment, which I don't particularly like. I'd like to get some carbon seats in there. That's a helmet which is very old, that I need to change at some point because I'm getting loads of wind noise around the top, which is really irritating at speed. This has obviously got the aero screen. I know some folk just wear sunglasses and manage, but when I tried it, I don't know if it's where the seat is or something, it's almost like there's a low pressure area. I actually struggled to breathe. It was like the air was getting sucked out of the cabin or something, so I didn't really like that. So I go for a helmet. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for now. The engine's really strong in this one. I do, however, have a spare engine as well, which I quite fancy building up over a period of time. You can get bigger valves for these and you can get cams for them, so I might well do that in time. But yeah, small introduction to the car and more very soon.